Stop recording.
Time for the following counties in Missouri: Barton, Cedar, Dade, Hickory, Hope, St. Clair,
As you
and
hear,
Vernon.
there's a watch.
Remember, a
kzz30.
watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements at Missouri, Christian, Dade, Dallas, Douglas, Greene, McLeod, Lawrence, Polk,
and wxl46.
and Wright. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Ozark. Time for the following counties in Missouri: Barton, Cedar, Dade, Hickory, Hope, St. Clair, and Vernon. The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Vernon County is canceled. The severe thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for West Central Missouri. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northwestern St. Clair County. At 5:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Appleton City, or 17 miles north of El Dorado Springs, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected
As you can hear,
60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following are current time is. Repeating, a severe rainfall in the severe thunderstorm warning for
Alert. Low battery.
has expired. The storm which prompted the warning has moved out of the area.
Cat at 10. Close.
The warning
Button.
has been allowed.
Back.
Should
Button.
remain alert for this will expire. Winds 10.
it's barely coming in, guys. But hold on, y'all. Alright, so you barely heard it on kzz30, but I'm gonna go ahead and
Stop recording.
stop recording this one.
Stop recording.